Hi, my name's Bob, and being a dad, there's lots of cost savings that I have to effect around the house to keep my family costs down. I first of all take it very personally and save my own costs. For example, making tea. Tea, my favourite hobby, right? Now, I take about 20 cups of tea per day. Box of tea bags cost about €10, which means that each tea bag costs about 20 to 25 cents. So, if I have 20 cups of tea a day, I could reuse my old tea bags up to 3 times, and if I do, I will save almost 8 cents per day, €300 per year. That's about €6,000 over a 20-year period. Just think about that, €6,000, and all I've got to do is have lovely reused tea. Now, before I start work in the morning, especially on a Saturday, I like to walk around the house and see how the kids are doing and just check they're not wasting any money. Hey kids, how's it going?
Dad, can you turn up the heating a bit?
The heating! Do you know how much heating costs? Maybe next week, but you can have another blanket. How's that? Plenty of warmth, haven't you, Rocky? Right? Rocky, go warm him. There you go, right? Maybe next Christmas I'll buy you another beanbag for your Christmas and birthday present combined. How's that? Does that sound good?
No.
Okay. Oh man, you don't need lights either. The TV's on. I told you turn off the lights and the TV's on. Cup of tea. I'm really excited to start my new job at work. I've been given a promotion, so let's go to my home office and start my new job as dedicated Azure SQL cost director, Dad. Okay, let's save some costs. So the first thing I notice is a lot of my team are using VMs. So I've written some kind of PowerShell script to look at the VMs that are running, and I see a lot of them are running this D2S that looks quite expensive. So I wrote an API to download the prices and show me how much I could save by switching to a more basic model. So I could save 5 times the cost by going from the DSV2 to the new Burst series. So I'm going to stop the VM, resize it, and do that. So effectively, hopefully, if I'm lucky, no one will notice, and I've got a 5x reduction in cost. Happy days. Oh, just got an incoming Teams call. Better answer that.
Hey Bob, quick question. We were working on the major project for AX International, and it looks like we're having system performance issues. I've sent you the query plan. Can you please have a look at it?
Oh, yeah. I can see that query plan. It looks like you just need to put a left join and use some max stop. It's not a VM at all, VM issue at all. If you do that, it'll perform like a dream.
All right, thanks Bob.
Thanks.
Now, the second cost saving that I'm looking at is we have some developers running SQL pools. Now, dedicated SQL pools are really expensive, like a DW1000 could cost you about €10,000 a month. So the first thing I do is I write some PowerShell to pause them, and I can put that on a trigger. Okay, so here's an example of the PowerShell. So there's a nice API, and once you have that running as an Azure function, you can get like a REST-based API. So what I then found is you can get an Alexa skill, and I can expose the Azure function as an endpoint to return a parameter for which pools are active. And when I run that, I can then get Alexa to check for me if any developers have walked away and left it running. Let's see if we can get that working.
Azure Cost Alert. Database AdventureWorks DW is idle.
Okay, I better call Deepak, who's working on that database.
Hey, Deepak, I've just noticed that you're working on a SQL pool and it's not doing anything.
Yeah, I just took a tea break, so that's why I was like taking a break now.
No one takes a break while working on a SQL pool. Pause it or go back to work.
I will rush to back to work now.